Welcome to Post-Flight by Trading Wings, a series of short videos designed to educate you on the types of plays we teach in the all-new, multilingual First Flight Trading Room. The first trading room of its kind, teaching you to the penny how to enter and exit trades so you can earn your trading wings today. For more information, visit us at tradingwings.com. Hey traders, welcome to Post Flight. Today we played symbol TSL in the room. It was one of many good plays we had today. It's been a pretty good week, but if you've seen some of the recent videos I've made on YouTube or on Facebook or whatever, you'll see that this play today kind of fits into that same category as the past couple videos. It's just pretty unique. We've been seeing the same sort of plays that we've been talking about in the room for the past couple days now, and today we spent over an hour talking about this play and those other plays today. As many of you guys know, we have a Wednesday free lecture at 12:30 that we're going to do for everybody every week. And the room's open. You feel free to log in anytime after 12 o'clock, and you can stay for the rest of the day and trade with us. We're going to do that every week. Today's topic was about this bar right here, and the idea of what to do if your bullish stock sells off first thing in the morning. If it goes up first, then you know that you're right and you just need a strategy for getting in. If it pulls back first, you have to use something to tell you to get in. There has to be a reason that you'll look to go long. And today we actually got long right here at 28.75. Pretty aggressive, but it's been going well for us. And we use the 2-minute chart, and the cool thing about this is before the market opened, I told everybody in the room, if it drops first, here's where we're going to buy it. So it's kind of neat to get that beforehand view of what we're going to do. It's easy to just let the market open and say, oh, we should have got in here, we should have got in there, but I like to call them ahead of time. That way it gives everybody a chance to make money, and you guys know that we're for real. Now the daily chart is what caught our attention today. Just a little gap up here that looked like it was going to take out the highs. The hourly chart is what we spent an hour on talking about today. All through lunch we talked about this hourly chart and some other hourly charts. In particular, we bought, like I said, we bought this symbol back here at 28.75, right on that bottoming tail there on the 2-minute chart. And again this morning we had plenty of time to discuss the entry, and I walked everybody through the entry. No big deal at all. If you look at the 5-minute chart now, you're beginning to notice our patterns a little bit here. We enter on the 2-minute in the morning, we trail on the 5-minute. Right? The higher time frames give us our bias, the lower time frames give us our entry and our trail management. So this tail here on the 2-minute is the same as this one on the 5-minute, just a different time period. Once we got in, we pretty much never looked back. Again, we found a nice play today that just trended and trended and trended, and we used our higher time frames to find our targets. Right about here, we decided to take half off of our position and protect the other half to a break-even stop. And later on in the day, as we got up to our final target, which was 29.70 by the way, and we hit it, we were just shy by a penny. We ended up trailing out of the second half here, right under 29.50. Turned out to be a really nice play. So all in all, if you played this with us today and you managed it the way we did, you ended up with just about 6 times what you were risking on the play. And like I always say, when we find our plays that we're interested in, not only do I give them to you beforehand, but we also talk about what are potential targets. I mean, is the play really worth it? We actually had one of our strategies triggered today on the symbol Staples, SPLS. And after talking about it a little bit, we said, although this is one of our strategies, we can really only make 1.5 times what we were risking, and we decided to pass on that play. It turned out to be for good reason. The play wouldn't have worked out. But because it didn't have a risk to reward that was worth it, we skipped it. Something like this TSL, I'll take these every day. They don't all work. Please don't misunderstand these videos as me promoting a room that makes money every trade every day. We make money every week, but every trade doesn't work out. So, when a trade has a potential to make you 6, 7 plus times what you are risking, you have to do it. I'll do this trade every day, every time, knowing that all of them won't work, but if I'm making, let's just say 5, if I make 5 times what I'm risking on one play, and then I go lose on 2 other plays, I'm still profitable, aren't I? So we really promote that. If you come to Trading Wings, you check out our rooms and our classes, we're really less about strategy and more about money management. At least I am. I like to focus more on high quality targets, getting the big move. And as you can see today on TSL, really no big deal. It didn't even really attempt to pull back too much today, so it was pretty much a stress-free trade there, just raising our trail along the way. Like I said, we talked about this video all day today, and if you want to be a part of one of those free lectures, again, they're open to everybody. We'll do another one next week. Next week we're going to talk about how to add to plays without increasing your risk. So if you're interested, visit tradingwings.com and you can join us for our next class. Hope to see you guys soon. Talk to you later.